Yep, it's recording now. So,
Okay.
you said you wanted to know more about the trading view, right? How to use it and
Yeah. How to get these settings which you have, like kind of how to have this display kind of thing.
all right, perfect. So, for example, if I remove everything, so firstly, let's talk about the candlesticks. Okay, the colors of the candlestick, you just have to double click it, and then there will be this option.
Yes.
So you can change. So, for example, this body. So see if I do red, so the body, the interior portion of the candle is going to be
Okay.
there. Okay. So bearish is just black. And
Okay.
for the border, meaning the wick of the bullish candle, it's going to be, I have done this and the wick is black. So that's pretty much the settings of the candles.
Okay.
And the next thing is status line, which you can like copy from this. So this is important. This symbol and appearance is important because background I've kept this color. So if you change the background, it becomes like this. Okay. You
Okay.
can also do dark mode, but then you have to change the colors of the
Yeah,
candles.
got it. Got
Okay.
it.
So I've kept this. Vertical lines you just have to keep zero or else this is going to come. So I think
Okay.
this is like a period. This is like, I don't know, if you go on 1 hour, this is going to be like a period separator. So for every vertical line you see is going to be one new day which starts,
Okay.
and the horizontal lines as such. So this is, I've kept it zero, so I don't see them. I don't need them. Watermark you can remove as well. I've just kept that US 30, 1 hour. And yeah, and then I've unticked all these and ticked all these and events, just like latest news, so it will come here. So this symbol you see is maybe of that. Yeah. So this is like the news. So
Okay.
if you click this, this is going to show. All right. So that's the settings of the chart and how you're going to see it. Now the next thing is about the time frame. So all you have to do is click over here and select the time frame such as the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. So if let's say for example, if you untick, if let's say you add monthly, so you see the monthly will come over here. And if you remove that, it's going to go.
Yes. Kunal, by any chance, like we can have minutes, like if I want to have a say 75-minute chart, then is that possible?
Yeah, 5 minutes is there, right?
Not 5 minutes, 75 minutes.
75 minutes.
Yeah.
So for that, you have to go with the Trading View Premium or Pro version. That will allow you
Okay.
to have it. Yes,
Okay.
yes, that will allow you to have it.
Okay.
Any you can write 21, you can write 36, anything you want.
Okay.
You can go with like 9. So the reason I don't get a Trading View Premium or Pro is just because then also I have a really bad habit with seconds. I used to trade a seconds. I used to trade seconds a lot of times. So I still have that bad habit. So this gets unlocked. So then I go on like 15 seconds and try to trade, which is against my trading plan. So I don't want to do that.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I don't have it. But yeah, you can have this, or what you call that. You can have 75 minutes or whatever minute you want, Trading View Premium or Pro version. I think the Pro will allow you, I don't know the Premium, but the Premium version allows you to have seconds on chart. Correct?
Yeah.
All right. So then the next thing we need to see is this. This is like the favorite tool. So in the first column, I have like I have all I've done is the cross, so that's why it's like this, the crosshair. If you do the dot, it's going to be a dot. If you do arrow, it's just going to be an arrow, but I prefer the cross. Uh, Over here, I've selected trend line, horizontal ray, and vertical line. So this is like a trend line. So you have to go in the settings. So I like it black. You can also make it like red. I just like it black. So yeah, that's the setting of the trend line. The next I have is horizontal ray. So this is the horizontal ray. This is blue. You can change it to, I don't know, any color you want. And then it's the same with vertical line. Then if you come on the third one, I have the fib retracement. We use that for premium and discount. So all you have to do is go to the settings in the style and select 0, 1, and zero point 0.5. So this
Okay.
will,
Good with it.
uh, yeah, this will give you the 50% in the middle. Yeah. So it will be like 50% in the middle, and this is 100, this is 0. Okay.
Yeah.
So background, you can change, like you can keep it very dark, or you can just keep it very mild, like this. So that's the fib.
What else? There's a marker like okay, brush. I
Yeah.
like color.
So in this is the brush, like very tiny it is. Okay. So that's the brush. Then we have a highlighter, which is going to be this. It's going to be a little big.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we have the rectangle, which is this. So now the settings of the rectangle is, all you have to do is go here and click on the background so that you can add this color or whatever color you want. You can change
Okay.
and make sure that you don't have a border. So border, if you do border, so the problem with having a border is this. Let's say I have a border, right? And I keep a border, and then let's say, for example, I draw it from here to here. So sometimes we kind of like get confused with this line
With the
because
wick. Yeah.
with, yeah, Wix also come because the color is the same black. That's why I don't have the border. Or else if you want a different color, then you can have a border. That will
Yeah.
work.
No need. Yeah. No need.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. So that's with the rectangle. In the text, I just have text. So the text you have to
Just yeah.
can play around.
I got it.
Yeah, that's the text, and I think that's pretty much it. And then the last one which we need is the long position and the short position, which is this. The short position is this. You can change the colors, um, and make sure it's like compact status mode so that there is no, like if you remove this, there's going to be a lot of, you know, written stuff on it. So if you do compact, it's going to be like this, things which are actually important.
So what all this it gives from this to this.
Yeah, keep price labels so that this will show up, this 34145. So this is my colors for it, red being the stop loss and green being the TP, and both are at 20%. And this is, I don't know, let's see, what is that? The show starts. No idea. It's not showing up anything. But anyways, this is the simplest way you can have it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is all is like unnecessary because all I use this for is to look at the risk to reward ratio. So in this case, it's, let's say, 2.64. Okay. Yeah. And then I think that's pretty much it. So then you have the long position, short positions. Colors will be alternative. And then this one is going to be there to measure. So all you have to do is select this, it turns blue, and then you click it and then drag it to the downside so you can count how much it has moved. So in this case, it's moved 300 and like this is 300 points to the downside. Okay, that's how you basically calculate how much it has moved. So let's say we calculate this move. This is 109 points, meaning $109 it has moved to the upside. So now the thing is about this being magnet. So what happens sometimes is that, let's say you want a point. Well, let's say you want to draw the horizontal ray on this candle. So sometimes if you don't select it, it's just going to be on the air. It's not going to be on the candle. So once you have that magnet on, so what it does is automatically sets this horizontal ray to the wick of the candle. So it just sticks. You see how it's like automatically going. So I have selected this to be like a weak magnet. And if you do strong, then it doesn't matter how far you are, it's just going to like stick. So I prefer it to be weak so that I'm nearby the candle's wick and then automatically it gets attached.
And in case you need to avoid the wick, just concentrate on the body.
Then
Like,
yeah, then
okay,
that also works. It will stick to the body. You just have to go nearby the body.
okay.
Yeah. See like this. Okay. And then this is drawing mode. So for example, I unselect this, and if I have to draw something like, let's say, a line, so I have to select it again and again for me to, draw this. But once you are on the drawing mode, you can just draw it again and again as many times you want. Okay, and if you want to get rid of it, you have to right click. So it won't come again. And this is this over here is, it will hide all of your drawings. So anything you have on the charts will just go away once you select this one. And this is remove object is the same as uh, right clicking and removing drawings. So yeah, that's how this is basically working. And you have to do auto save, because if you don't do, then your charts drawing might go away as you close your trading view app. So yeah, and that's pretty much the,
Nothing on the right side. These are not required
yeah,
much.
not important. Yeah, there is something which is important now, watch list. So for example, uh you know how to search, right? Like you can just
Yeah,
go
yeah,
here
yeah.
and search, but there is also like sections if you want. So add section if you do, so you can rename the section. Let's say you rename the section as like stocks, or let's say cryptos, and then you can have cryptos over here, and then you can make a different section and right click the
From
section,
where we get this section.
right click it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can remove it as well. And then all this is like of the public, live streams or and all those things like chats,
And how we set
ideas.
up alerts, like kind of thing
Yeah,
that
so
increase.
in the free version which I'm using, so let's say you want price to give you an alert as soon as it crosses to the upside. So right click and first option you have
Okay,
is
okay.
add alert on the horizontal line. And now there will be an option of crossing or you know, crossing up, crossing down, greater than. So it's just crossing. So as soon as it touches, you
What is this moving up and moving down? Like it is up above 1% or down with some percent, like moving down.
that I've never tried. That I've never tried. But if you wanted to just give you the notification as soon as it touches to the upside, that's one way. The second way is uh, this once matlab, um so let's say 5 minutes pe you have this alert. It will only
Okay,
alert you when the candle is actually closed above it. So this
okay,
you have to select this once per bar
okay.
close. But I just keep it like this so that I can monitor prices. And you can name it and stuff and
Got it, got it.
create it. So see, I already have some alert which is maybe active, and that's why they are not allowing me to have. So this is active, right? Matic. So if I cancel this one, so then I think they'll allow me to have this one. So yeah, so this is active, and as you can see, this sign came up of a clock on that line. So that's the alert which is active. So it will give you the sound. Um,
And how to move this entire thing from right to left or with this auto mode in the bottom.
the chart, right? Okay, this one.
Yeah, any chart, like, yeah, like any
So
chart,
yeah,
you
you
just
just have
move.
to drag like this. Okay, you have to just drag the chart. The next thing also which you can do is do this. Okay, you drag this prices and then you can move the chart as as you want.
What, drag the prices, listen.
Like just click on the chart, click on the prices. And
Okay,
so see, this is now stationary, right? I can just move it from left to right.
yeah,
Okay. But if you click on the prices and drag a little bit, then you can also move it up, down, and you can do this.
okay, 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 okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So this is what you can also do. Then at the same time, so yeah, this is your uh this which what you see over here. If you untick it, it's going to go. If you click it, it's going to be there.
I believe once you take the star button, it would automatically be created. The favorite tools would automatically be
Yeah,
created.
but the favorite tools need to be selected from this area.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. That's
you
the
can
star
add,
one.
yeah, you can add.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, the only thing which is kind of important is the rectangle and this and this and this, maybe a
Yeah.
trend line and and the um,
And the
Fib-
ruler, I believe, up and down.
yeah, ruler to count.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I don't think anything is that necessary
I believe
because
it's all done. There's nothing more to it, right?
yeah, the trading view part is this. And okay, now if you want to send a chart to someone, then there is the option over here, take a snapshot, and now you can save your
Okay,
image.
yeah, that's I can that I can
Yeah,
manage.
okay, this is solved.
Yeah,
And then
that's it. Great.
yeah, that's pretty much it. And then over here as well, you have to go with the candles. So so the candles will show up.
Yeah,
We
all the
have
lines.
yeah a lot of things like Heikenashi, we have line chart, we have Renko,
Yeah,
Like there's
I
a lot
believe
of things.
the candles and the line chart two things are just quite amazing.
Yeah. So all we need is this candles and the line chart. So we have a clear indication of price action.
Kunal, now can we move to the my folks funds? I believe we have time.
Yeah, yeah, we do have time. So, what exactly do you want to know about it?
Like, what are the criterias for the work which has to be met and everything?
Okay.
I just gone through it, but still, like, can you open that?
Yeah, yeah, I'm opening. So this is the website
Not visible.
I am sharing.
Yeah.
Is it visible now?
Hmm. Yeah, it's visible.
So there is this is the website. There is like three phases. So in the rapid one, it's just like I never did rapid, but all traders basically go with evaluations. But you can
Okay.
read if you're interested in the rapid program.
No, no.
So the most rewarding one is the evaluation. Accelerator
Okay.
is still there, but it's expensive and less capital is there. But let's go with the evaluation because that's important.
Okay.
So these are the rules. First is you can only make 5% daily drawdown. So even if you do 5.1% in a single day as loss, so they'll take away your account.
Okay.
Okay.
So the loss should not be more than 5%
In a single day.
in a single day.
Yeah. The overall is 12%, but in a single day, you cannot go above 5%. So this is the overall drawdown. So this is the daily drawdown. This is the overall drawdown. In how much time they give you. You cannot surpass 12%. If you do, they'll take your account. Okay.
How much amount do they provide you with with this, the evaluation?
So they have options of 10, 5,000, 10,000, 20, 50, 100K, and I think 200K as well.
Okay, you need to pay for that.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Got
So being consistent, okay. We have a very black and white consistency rules.
And payout increase over time as you go with the okay. And
Yeah.
3 days a week, 3 days a week in the sense,
A trader must enter one trade for at least 3 days. Okay,
okay,
so three,
in a week, in
yeah,
a week at least you could have 3 trades.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, got it. What is the maximum in this? 2K.
200K,
Mhm.
$200,000. So this is okay, 100K, fine. But I think if you pass the 100K, then the 200K also unlocks. I think it's that way.
And for so the minimum is 10K. How
Yeah,
much need how much we need to pay? $99.
yeah. So these are the rules, programs, evaluation.
So you are at 200K or like you are at what?
No, I'm doing
100.
20K because it's like the
What's
first time I'm doing the
okay?
20K.
And they pay on time, like monthly, or
Ye-
how do they pay?
So first first payout is going to be monthly, and after the first is there, you can get bi-weekly. So see, this is the evaluation, and they have 300K as well. 5,000 also they have 10,000,
This
twenty
is
thousand.
evaluation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know, for some reason the previous option wasn't showing much of the options, but this is the real evaluation programs. 50K is there,
What
100K.
phase one 8% and 5%? What is that?
So in the first phase, to clear the phase, you have to make 8%.
Okay,
Okay, and the time limit will be 30 days,
okay.
meaning a month. So you just have like 22 trading days in a month. And
So
it,
like if I start off with 5,000, I need to make like what 10% would be 500 and
yeah,
8% would be
400.
400,
Yeah,
400 kind of. Okay.
yeah, 400 you need to make. And once you pass the phase one, you will get the details of the phase two. So phase two, you have to make 5%. So you have to make like 250 here.
I believe here there's something different. Daily starting drawdown 250. This is 50% of this, I believe.
Yeah, this is 5% daily loss because you cannot go above 5%, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
And that is the 5% daily loss.
Okay.
12% is this. This is the fees. And yeah, this is how they have they have it. But the reality is that so see, this is like the reality of the funding programs as well, right? So they'll have like, you know, so if I show you, so let's say for example, they have 1,000 guys who apply for this. Let's say they have like 1,000 guys over here which apply for, or the phase one.
Yeah.
So out of those, let's say out of those 1,000, maybe something like 50 will go to phase two, and out of those 50, something like 10 will have the sorry. So this is the funded account. So out of those 50, maybe 10 will be funded, and out of those 10, I don't know, like maybe 7 guys will have the withdrawal. 7 5 7 guys. So what happens is that all these guys are failing, right? Like all these guys are failing, and the fees are used to pay these guys as profits. So whatever account we get is not going to be like a real legitimate account. It's going to be a demo at their end. But whatever profits we make, they have to pay us, because someone can be funded and deliberately lose that account, and just to make a loss for the company. They can pass the challenge and everything, but as soon as they get funded, they can just blow the account on purpose. They can do that.
Okay. You mean to say the company itself goes the account?
No, I mean to say that the company provides funded accounts, but those are demo accounts, because someone might just can, take 300K account, pass the challenge and everything, come here funded, and then make a loss on purpose.
Okay.
So that's why the funded, they say it as funded, but it's actually not a real account. It's a demo account itself, but the way they pay you their profits is by the fees of the guys who have failed the challenge.
Okay.
And this is like a very profitable business model because most likely what happens is that guys who don't even have experience to trade on $100 account, they want to go with something like 10,000, which is not even the money they saw in their entire life. And now 1% of that is,
Okay. My only concern is like in case if you are going for a bigger account, say 1K or 2K or like 100K or 200K,
okay.
and you are making good money, is it that the company itself tries to do some hanky panky that your like your sales are hit or your trades are going to make it?
So these things, I still haven't like heard about all these things being happening, but earlier they used to happen with FTMO. So I've heard it happened with, so this is my Forex fund, right? Uh, my Forex funds had the problem of having slippage, and FTMO had this problem of, and there was one funding talent named company which just went bankrupt because of some of the reasons. So they used to do that. They used to not give payouts. They used to give reasons and everything. But now uh, my Forex funds and FTMO is really looked up to. So I did a lot of research, saw a lot of YouTube videos of guys who actually received payout and everything, and then that's the only reason I went with my Forex funds. And the best part about any company is that once you get their first payout, they also send you your fees back. Yeah, they also send you a fees back. So
And if you trade with them, they would only be the like providers, like you have Anando and others who are brokers. They would be the brokers, right? My
yeah,
forex ones.
yeah, that the same brokerage.
Okay.
Yeah,
And is there if anyone has a paper trading where you can do some paper trading before you step into this?
yeah. Obviously, you can also go with the free program they give you. I think it's there. It's You can just like go to the website, and there will be an option of having a free account, trial account, or else you can just chat with them and try to tell them if you need a trial account,
Okay.
because I'm sure the FTMO has it. Like if you search for FTMO, they have it. So yeah, they have FTMO free trial. You can do it.
Can you also trade on trading? You know.
No, you can trade on TradingView, but for you to be trading on TradingView, there is very specific brokers which can allow you to trade. So these are the brokers which you can use if you want to trade with TradingView. Trade station. So this is paper trading by TradingView. So I think you can trade on this as well. Pepperstone is there, capital.com. I don't know about these. Got it?
And we need to add in some indicator below RSI or SI. That is
That's done from here. Let's say you want to add RSI.
Just for example, yeah.
Yeah, and then you have to drag it, and you can change the colors and everything if just double click it, or else any indicator you add on the chart, you will have the settings here, or else it will come over here on this panel. Just go to the settings and you can change. Okay,
Okay. So that's another now.
that's it.
Yeah, yeah. Just one thing, just send the recording on the WhatsApp. I believe from from the
Telegram.
other Telegram, it's very difficult to take it on the on laptop. I don't know there's anything. I don't see any like option from there from to copy
So
your.
I think all you have to do is just right click on the video after it's downloaded, and then wait, let me see.
I don't think so. They have any option. Let's
Okay,
see.
I'll show. Wait. So see, this is our chart. Just go here and you see 7 videos. So now you do right click and show in folder, or else save as, and you can save it on your desktop, because WhatsApp I cannot send you such a large file, I assume. They won't allow.
Where do we go there?
So you go on the profile. Okay, can you share your screen for a minute if you're on the laptop, and if your laptop has
No, no,
Telegram in it?
no. It's not. It's not. I'm not having it.
Okay, so you go here, click on the profile, and you see 7 videos, 5 photos. Go on the videos, right click, and you can do save as if they are not saved, or else show in folder. So once you click show in folder, it will open this. Okay, and once this is open, you can just drag this, and like you can drag this and put it on your desktop, so
I
it's there on
believe
the desk.
that would be an option on like
You see.
on I believe laptop or the desktop. It's not an option on mobile, I believe.
Oh, mobile. Okay, I'll give you the option on mobile. I'll text you how you can do it. Okay.
Okay, never mind. I'll just open up download from the desktop and get it done. This
Yeah,
no problem.
because on the phone, if you want to watch, you have to download it and again watch it on the phone itself.
Yeah.
All right then. Take
Okay,
care.
buddy.
Yes,
Okay, buddy.
bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
No worries. Bye bye.